Mike's been lifting heavy for 15 years, but lately his joints scream with every rep, and without a training partner or coach, he's fighting this battle alone. Here's what research reveals about restoring flexibility while training solo. Studies show fish oil supplements containing EPA and DHA reduce joint inflammation by up to 30% within 8 weeks of consistent use. When Mike started taking 2 to 3 grams daily of quality omega-3 supplements, he noticed his squat depth improved significantly within 6 weeks. Scientists discovered that omega-3 fatty acids lubricate joint tissues and increase synovial fluid production, the body's natural shock absorber. He combined his supplement routine with salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds in his diet, creating a double defense against stiffness. His range of motion expanded, his lifts felt smoother, and most importantly, he prevented the nagging injuries that sideline athletes. Could optimizing your omega-3 intake be the missing link in your flexibility journey?